reading. Let's start the basic statistics. Compute arithmetic mean using direct and indirect method. This is the data. Let's start the question with the direct method. Solution. Direct method. These all values are x, and we have to take summation x, which is equals to 12 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20 plus 24 plus 29 plus 35 plus 45. These are summation x. Let's add these values. 1 to 12 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20 plus 24 plus 29 plus 35 plus 45 is equals to 196. So summation x means sum of the x is 196, and number of the values, number of the x is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number of the x is 8, and in direct method this is mean is equals to summation x divided by n, which is equals to 196 divided by 8 divided by 8, which is equals to 24.5. So our mean is 24.5. Now using indirect method. Indirect method, in which let assume a value a is equals to, you can take any number, probably it's possible to take any central value from the data. So I'm taking 20. A is equals to 20. Let x is equals to 12, 14, 17, 20, 24, 29, 35 and 45. Now taking d is equals to x minus a. This is our a value and this is our x numbers. So d is taking by the differences, taking away a from x. So we will put 12 minus 20 is equals to minus 8. Now 14 minus 20 is equals to minus 6. Now 17 minus 20 is equals to minus 3. Now 20 minus 20 is equals to 0. Now 24 minus 20 is equals to 4. Now 29 minus 20 is equals to 9. Now 35 minus 20 is equals to 15. Now 45 minus 20 is equals to 25. Now taking the sum of the d, this is our differences. So summation D is equals to, let's take the reading, minus 8 minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 minus 3 minus, now plus 4 plus 9 plus 15 plus 25 is equals to 36. So summation D is 36. This was indirect method, and indirect method we use the formula for mean. This is sign of mean. Mean is equals to A plus summation D over N, which is equals to, A was 20, we take it 20 plus summation T was 36 divided by N is 8, as our number of observations was 8. By solving this, we have 36 divided by 8 is equals to 4.5 is equals to 20 plus 4.5 is equals to 24.5 is equals to 24.5. This was indirect method of taking mean. As I took the direct method for mean, that was 24.5 for the same data, and I took the indirect method for mean, that is also is 24.5. So the answer is same for the mean, but the method was different. This is direct method and this is indirect method. If you need any help, any type of query, then let me know, and if you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.